Deciding between a heat pump and an air conditioner. Here's what you need to know. Heat pumps do double duty, providing both heating and cooling, while ACs stick to just cooling. Heat pumps are more complex, with extra parts like a reversing valve, and take a bit longer to install. They shine in moderate climates, saving energy, but might need backup heat in extreme cold. AC systems are simpler and focused purely on cooling. So, think about your climate and energy goals before making your move. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.